G'day traders, 1 minute mindset reset. Focusing on price and time. So a lot of emails and questions about the highs and lows, and I want to emphasize that all there is on the chart is price levels, and then the timings of when everything happens. We have highs and lows. You have to determine if you're in a trend, a reversal stage, or a trading range, and remembering that the markets are going to seek liquidity. So remember who's in the money, and when you're forming your thesis, you should be able to look at a chart, whether it's a daily chart looking at the highs and lows, and then breaking that down into your smaller time frames. When London opens, are you inside? Is that inside move moving to one of the outer borders again? Is it on the outside? NASDAQ opens and the first thing it does is it hits stops on the outside. So remember that price levels and timings are key. So you can focus on price action and candle patterns and trading patterns, but the bottom line is there's nothing that they can hide from you. All it is price levels and the timings, and then you making a decision and a thesis as to whether or not that's a stop hunt for a reversal. If you're in a trend trade, regardless, you want to be buying low, selling high, or selling high and buying low, taking profits, managing your risk. But remember, if everything's in a box, your tightest point for risk control is at the top or the bottom. So if you're buying, you want to be buying at the bottom of a box. It doesn't have to be the high and low of the day. It could be the bottom of a session. It could be the bottom of a move. If you're selling, you want to be selling high. It could be at the top, the high of the day, the high of the week, but it may be at the high of the move on the way to the low. It's a price level, price and time, double zeros, 50s, quarter levels. If you get filled away from one of those numbers, as long as it's in the right direction, that's all that matters. But if you're chasing candle patterns and everything else, make sure you have a thesis. Quit asking, why did the market do this? And remember, have setups. Go to the market with a playbook and trade the setups. Keep it simple. The simpler it is, the more often you'll see this clearer and clearer and clearer. Manage the downside, take profits, and may the markets go with you.